Hello everybody and welcome back. So in this video we'll be turning your designs into GIFs, okay? Now you want to use a design which is quite simple, because if it has too many different layers on it, okay, it's not going to work as a GIF. So the simple ones like this Tumblr banner or this LinkedIn banner will work, or this YouTube thumbnail here, or this Etsy shop icon here, or even this logo, okay? So what we're going to do is just open them in a new tab, the ones that we're going to turn into a GIF. So this one here and this one here. And I'm also going to open one to show you what doesn't work, okay? So I'm going to open, hopefully, one that doesn't work, which will be this one, because I don't think this one will actually work. So if you click download and then scroll down to the bottom and go to animated GIF/movie in experimental phase and then click preview animation, you'll see that this particular one has problems, okay? Now if you look down here, you can see that the Facebook username goes over the Instagram logo. And that is because there's so many different layers on this, it kind of gets confused. So you need to just try and use more simple designs to change to GIFs, okay? So if you look at this one, just here, this is a very simple design and this will definitely be able to change to a GIF, okay? So if you hit download and then go down to animated GIF/movie and hit preview animation, you'll see that everything works fine. Nothing is broken or anything like that. It all loads in nicely, okay? So all you need to do then is either hit download as movie, which will download it as a .mp4 file, or download it as a GIF, which will download it as a .gif or GIF file, and then you can click on it and of course play it any times you want. So that is fantastic. So we're just going to use this one here and go to download and scroll down to animated GIF/movie, hit preview animation. Then if you have a look, it all loads in nicely, it looks very nice, and then you can just go through the animation styles to find out which one you like the most. Of course, there's 6 different options for you here. Now that one is very nice, I like that a lot actually. So once you've chosen it, all you need to do is hit download as a movie or download as a GIF. I don't like the .gif file format, so I'm going to download it as a movie for a .mp4. So hit that now. It's just going to scan the entire image, and there you go, done. Click on it now, and it will open up the animation. There you go. So once again, just go to download, hit the drop down box just here and go down to animated GIF/movie, hit preview animation, and just here you'll be able to preview what you are downloading, and then you get to choose your style. On the right here there's 6 different style options. You can go to 3D, block, fade, slide, bounce or rise. For this one I'm just going to go to 3D, hit either download as a movie or download as a GIF. I always preferred to download it as a movie, as of course you get a MP4 file format, but if you download it as a GIF, you get a .gif or .gif file format. So yeah, I'm just going to download this as a movie. It's just going to scan through the file, and once it has completed the scan, it will show up on your downloads, okay? So there we go, it has scanned, and here it is. So that is it. Okay, fantastic. Now as you can see, it is a very low quality video file at the moment, and the main reason for this is because Canva Animator, which is this just here, which is how we downloaded it as a MP4, is currently in the experimental stages, so there are issues and bugs at the moment. So sometimes it doesn't load properly and sometimes it can look bad. Sometimes it looks great, but sometimes of course it does look quite low quality, okay? So that is something you'll have to deal with, of course. So the bigger the file, the worse quality it will be. So the simpler the file, the higher quality it really comes out as. But of course, Canva is going to improve this very soon. So by the time you're watching this, it may even be fixed, okay? So that's fantastic. Now a quick note for this, you will need the pro version of Canva, which costs $12.95 a month, but for the first 30 days you get a free trial, so that is fantastic. So yeah, that's that. Let's just go over it one more time and then I will outro this video for you. So you just want to go to download, and then go to animated GIF/movie. As you can see, it is experimental, and then go to preview animation, like so, and then pick your animation style on the right just here. So choose the one you like the most. I'm going to choose this one just here, and then hit either download as a movie or download as a GIF. Now I'm just going to do both, so I'll do the movie first and then we'll do the GIF straight afterwards, so you can of course see the difference. It's just going to scan through the photo or the file, whatever you want to call it, and it's just now going to export it. Fantastic. So if you click this just here, it's now going to open it up, and there you go. So that is that. That is a MP4 file, and now we're going to download it as a GIF. Okay, so let's just click that now. It's just going to scan it once again, and once it has completed, it is going to download it. So let's just wait now, and there we go, it's done. So let's click that, and there you go. So that is the GIF. Fantastic. So you can upload this to places like Twitter, and it will actually be a GIF. So that is that. That is how you download your designs as a GIF or an MP4. So that is all for this video. Hopefully you had a great time. Hopefully you learnt a lot, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.